Hello everyone to our next video, and in today's video I'm going to show you a cryptocurrency that has huge potential that has not yet dropped into the markets. But first, don't forget to subscribe, click on post notifications so you can receive every video that we drop. Smash the like button, and please, if you have a question, put it down in the comments so we can answer. So let's go. Okay, so the first step is you have to download Trust Wallet onto your phone. So I have already done that. Okay, as soon as you have done that, click onto it. I'll put every link or any code in the description that is necessary. So when you click onto Trust Wallet, you have to click on this filter tab on top right, click search. I'll put this code in the description below. As soon as you paste this code, this thing will pop up, Axolotl Finance, that's the name of the crypto. Turn it on like this and then click done, and this will appear right here. Click on it and then click on receive, click on copy. This is your address for this coin on your Trust Wallet, and then I'll put the link in the description below, as I said, for the website. Click on login. You just need your wallet address. You paste it here, click on I'm not a robot, do the thing that it wants, verify, click register and login. I've already registered, and I have already 4 referrals. Every referral gets you 30 cents, and every 15 minutes you can get $1 worth of AXO. Click on I'm not a robot, chimneys, click verify, claim now, and congratulations, you have successfully acquired $1. I have already $6.50. You can withdraw every $200, so that's worth, I think, about 104,000 AXO coins. So be ready, guys. The drop is in 11 days and 3 hours. It will drop on PancakeSwap, so you can start trading this coin, and let's hope we can make a lot of money. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.